a great strategy, because it's such a competitive market, is if you work with an investor-friendly real estate agent like myself. Now, I'm not the only real estate friendly agent out there. There's a lot of others. And the reason I say that, though, is because for those of you who listen to my show, we have had guest after guest after guest on this show who kill it in fixing and flipping houses. That's what I do as well. I fix and flip houses. And I got a bunch of friends and colleagues that also fix and flip houses. So when I get a client that says, listen, I'm looking for a home in this neighborhood at this price point, we're qualified for this amount, we'll look on the MLS, but then the very next thing that I do is I will call all of my friends who fix and flip homes and say, do you have something that you're remodeling right now that's almost done, it's going to hit the market in this area and this price point? And if they do, then I can take my client over to that house to have a peek at this brand new, beautifully fixed and flipped home that's about to hit the market that nobody else knows about but us. And as long as my client likes it, we now have the opportunity to submit an offer on this particular property with no competition, having to worry about highest and best. I have helped so many of my buyer clients get into homes by this particular technique, right? So if you happen to know a real estate agent who's well connected in the investment world, excuse me, then there's a really good chance that you're going to be able to find off-market properties that other people are not going to have access to, which then means you don't have to go crazy and be in these bidding wars that you have to fight against. Do you have any questions in regards to any of that so far?
No, thank you.
Yeah, okay, perfect. All right, so I don't know if you guys remember, but we were here probably 3 or 4 weeks ago filming this house when Trevor Thompson was a guest on the radio show. Now, we came to this home, the kitchen wasn't here, the flooring I don't even think was here either. And basically, Trevor gave me a call the other day to let me know that this home that we'd filmed 3 weeks ago was finally done and getting ready to hit the market. Now, this house looks absolutely beautiful. You've got the 2 sinks. One of the cool things that I shared ironically today on the radio show is because I happen to be an investor-friendly real estate agent, as well as a lot of investor-friendly real estate agents, but these are the types of opportunities that when you work with an investor-friendly real estate agent, you could potentially have to bring your clients to before it even hits the market. So this home, as of right now, is not on the market yet. So if I had a client that was shopping for this price point in this neighborhood, I would be able to bring them here to this house, potentially without any competition, to be able to lock this property under contract and make this their home sweet home. Once this hits the market, it's going to be so competitive. So a great thing to consider is working with an investor-friendly realtor. Like I said, there's a ton of them. I just happen to be one of them. Then you can oftentimes get access to homes like this without any competition, because you get to be notified of homes like this before they ever hit the market for me, Trevor happens to be a friend of mine, so Trevor notifies me, I notify Trevor, we work amongst each other. So there's a circle of friends that basically will share with one another when a property hits the market, and when it hits before it hits the market, in case one of our buddies has a buyer who wants to potentially see the property without any competition before we ever put it on the MLS, which is a great opportunity. Like I said, if you are a buyer, to get that kind of opportunity to come see this home, decide if it's something that you want, put an offer on it, and no, not everybody is fighting for this same home, submitting offers over asking price and getting into some crazy bidding war. So we wanted to come check it out, come take a peek. Obviously, this is the kitchen, so let's go take a peek at the rest of the home and kind of just see how this all wrapped up. A really cool thing though, I think we showed this when we were here last time, is if you look straight out this window, you can see the view of the mountain that's practically across the street. Check that out. All right, so we're in the first bathroom, and this is something I didn't expect, to see a double vanity in here. Super pretty, super beautiful, love the tile. The tub, again, really nicely really well done. This house looks absolutely gorgeous. We will definitely go take a peek at the master. so you can see the master bathroom is all completed as well. And something that Trevor pointed out last time we were here, I was just curious to see if it was on all four walls, is the floor to ceiling tile. All right, so we're in the basement now, and as you can see, Trevor was talking about making the basement a mother-in-law apartment, furnishing it with its own kitchen. So we of course have the stove, the sink. I'm not sure where the fridge would go, but I'm sure they've thought that through. Oh, right here, it'd go right there. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this before and after project that, again, Trevor Thompson, one of my guests on the radio show, came in to share with us. We saw it a couple weeks ago when it was all being remodeled, and today it's finished. And if you're looking for a beautiful home right by the mouth of Little and Big Cottonwood Canyon, right here at the base of the mountain, then definitely feel free to give me a call. Hopefully by the time you see this video, the house isn't already sold, but I have a really good feeling that once this hits the market, it's gonna sell quick. So if you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comment section below. And I want to thank you guys so very much for watching. Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the snap leash. The snap leash can literally do so many things, and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the snap leash is designed with two swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, all you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet. And now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the snap leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the snap leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the snap leash.